Types of epithelial tissue. Squamous epithelial. See dramatic representation of this type of tissue. Location: inner surface of mouth, esophagus, blood vessels and alveoli. And the structure: thin, small, flat cells form semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane means some substance are absorbed into this tissue and some are not, means semi-permeable membrane. The selective transport of substance, the function which are the required or which are the good for the health, those are only material are transported by these tissues or this epithelium. The next, stratified epithelium. It is see outer layer of skin, which are the skin of our, this is the outermost layer of stratified epithelium. Many layers of cells. This, see, you can see in the picture the column, one block of the epithelial that are having the many layers of the cells. Prevention of wearing of organs, protection of organs. This is the outermost epithelial tissue, that is means here they are having function of protecting the organs and prevention of wearing some other organs. Then granular epithelium, inner layer of skin, means which outermost is stratified epithelium, then granular epithelium. Cell contain vesicles packed with secretory material. Vesicles packed means in this epithelial tissue there is some vacuoles are present, and in that some material, secretory material are stored in this vacuoles or sac. Secretion of sweat, oil, sebum or mucus, means which are the vacuoles are present in this epithelial tissue, in that this material like the sweat, oil are present and they secrete at a with time to time. Then columnar epithelium, inner surface mucosa of intestine urinary canals, means after this squamous epithelial there is inner surface is columnar epithelium. Column like tall cells, upper free surface bear fold made of these cells of place of absorption. These are function is the absorb which are the nutrients, digestive juice in the body. That's why it are having the folds in these cells, and there is place between these folds to absorb the material. Then ciliated epithelium, the inner surface of respiratory tract. In this epithelial tissues are present in respiratory tract. Upper free surface of cells bear minute hair-like process. These are the having hair-like structure on the upper part of this epithelium to push mucus and air forward to keep the air passage free. Means which are the mucus are in the respiratory tract that push the outside, and which are the air for the air keep the that passage free or clean. The cuboidal epithelium, tubules of the kidney, nephron and salivary glands. Cells are cuboidal, means their structure like the cube. Reabsorption of useful material from urine and secretion of saliva. In a kidney, we are seeing that the reabsorb the some useful material after it are going to the uterus, and this function is done by with this cuboidal epithelium. These are the type of epithelium. So for that, draw the all diagrams of this epithelial tissues and write the name below that diagram.